Good morning, students. Welcome to back online learning session. We have done practice set 1 and 2 in the last video, and in this video we will start the practice from the practice set 3. So before starting this exercise, this practice set, what we have to learn about this. So when a triangle given two sides and the angle included by them, so how we will draw it? Is that clear? This is see on page number 4. It has written to construct a triangle given two sides and the angle included by them. Till that, what we have done? Three side is given. So that time we have drawn like that. But in this practice set, here there will be two sides will be given and the angle included by them. See practice set 3. Draw triangles with the measures given below. Here first one, in triangle MAT, length of MA is given what? 5.2 centimeter. Major angle A is given what? 80 degree. Length of AT is given is what? 6 centimeter. So two sides and angle is given. Got it? So how we will draw this triangle? How to construct this one? So first we will draw the rough figure. When the two sides and the angle is given, so first see which is the longest side, because here major angle A is given. So means what? We have to take what? Length of AT. I am just drawing the rough figure. Here is what? AT. What? 6 centimeter. Okay. And major angle A. It means what? This will be acute angle. So it will be like this. What? 80 degree. And what? MA. From here to here. Means M will be here. Here is what? T. AT we have drawn in the rough figure. So we have to draw the MA. MA 5.2 centimeter. So it will be like this. And wherever this 5.2 will be touched, then we have to draw like this. This is the rough figure. Okay. And according to the rough figure and according to the question is given, so we have to draw the diagram. So first we will take the what? AT as a base, of which length? 6 centimeter. So here I am making the 6 centimeter length of AT. Accurate 6 centimeter you have to take. AT 6 centimeter. And major angle A is given what? 80 degree. So we will use this protector and keep this protector on point A and make what? 80 degree triangle, 80 degree mark. Then join it. This will be what? 80 degree. Now we have to make what? MA 5.2 centimeter, which is given in the question. MA 5.2 centimeter means from A to what? Here. We have to make one arc. Now measure the 5.2 centimeter in this compass. See 5.2 centimeter and make one arc from point A. Wherever it will meet, then this point we get what? Point M. And this is what? 5.2 centimeter. Now join this point with T and then triangle is ready. Got it? And we have to make this what arrow mark. You have to do like this. Understood, students? Now see question number 2. Now see question number 2. In triangle NTS, major angle T is given what? 40 degree. Length of NT equals to length of TS, which is 5 centimeter. Students, please be careful. Here only one length is given, but here is sign is showing what? Both the side what? Are equal 5 centimeter, because here no two sides is given, but just showing the this sign, equal sign. So we can understand easily length of NT is also what? 5 centimeter, because these two lengths are same. Got it? So don't be confused. Now we will make the rough diagram over here. What? Which we will take the what? 5 centimeter as a base. But which one? NT or TS? Yes, of course we will take the what? TS. So we'll take the TS as a base, because we have to draw the T. What? Major angle T is equals to 40 degree. Now I am just making the rough diagram over here. What? T as 5 centimeter and T will be what? 40 degree, and from what? NT means from T to N we have to make one arc what? 5 centimeter. So we will draw in fair diagram. Just write it over here. So first we draw the what? Length of TS. Now I am taking here length of TS. What? 5 centimeter. Okay. Then from T we have to make an angle of 40 degree. Keep this protector on point T and make the angle of 40 degree. Where will be 40 degree? It will come here, because it will be acute angle. 40 degree means what? Less than 90. So it is acute angle. Clear? Now what we have to make? We have to make the what? NT 5 centimeter. NT. So we have to draw the one arc from the T and make what? One arc. First we make what? Take the length of what? NT what? 5 centimeter. From here to here. Then 5 centimeter. Make one arc like this, and it is the name of this point is what? N, and it is what? 5 centimeter. Now join this point with S. So here it is ready what? Triangle NTS. Students, you have to be careful when you are drawing the triangle. So you have to what? Write the length of the side and the angles which is given, and the arrow mark over here, and write the angle triangle name also. If you will not write, so marks will be cut. Got it? Now the question number 3. You have to do it by your own. These two questions which I have done, question number 1 and 2 same, you have to do it by your own. In triangle FUN, length of FU is given 5 centimeter, length of UN is given 4.6 centimeter, and major angle U is given 110 degree. So I am just giving you hint how to construct this triangle. So first you have to draw the length of what? FU. First draw the rough diagram. FU 5 centimeter and place the protector on point U and make the 110 degree. So it will be look like this because it is more than 90 degree. It is what? Obtuse angle triangle. So it should be like this. Okay. So 110 degree and UN. So here you have to use this. What? You have to use compass and place the what? On point U and make one arc over here 4.6. Then what? Join it. Then you will get the what? Triangle FUN. Have you understood? Understood, students? So you have to draw this triangle and you have to construct this triangle. Now see question number 4. In triangle PRS, length of RS is given what? 5.5 centimeter and length of RP 4.2 centimeter. Major angle R is what? 90 degree. So first what we will take? RS as a base. Got it? RS 5.5 centimeter. Then place the protector on point R and then make 90 degree. It should be straight. Then RP means you have to use the compass and keep the compass on point R and make one arc over here 4.2 centimeter RP. Then join it with point S. Have you understood, students? So you have to construct and you have to draw these two diagrams in your notebook. This is your homework of practice set 3. I have done these two. You can see here how I drawn. Same you have to draw in your notebook. This is your homework. Now let's move on to the next practice set. Practice set 4. Before starting the practice set 4, we just see which is given in this practice set. To construct a triangle, given two angles and the included side. When the two angles is given and the side is given. So how do we construct that triangle? Have you understood? In this practice set, which has given two sides and one angle. But here two angles and one side. Got it? So students, don't be confused which will be the base. Just see only one side is given. That means this will be the base because here two angles is given. Two angles are what? Given and only one side. Now see how to construct this triangle. Let's start the practice set 4. Question number 1. What? In triangle SAT, length of AT is equals to what? 6.4 centimeter. Major angle A 45 degree and major angle T 105 degree. Okay. Now see triangle SAT, length of AT is what? 6.4 centimeter. So first we will make the line of what? Length of AT. See here I am making the line of what? AT, which is 6.4 centimeter. AT. Now major angle A is equals to what? 40 degree. That means we have to place this protector on point A because A is given 45 degree. Like this. When you are placing the protector on this side, so you have to take the downward. Okay, down one. This one you have to take because it is less than 90. So 45 will be where? It will be here. Can you see? 45 degree. Okay. So it is acute angle triangle. Now just join it. Okay. This is what? 45 degree. And major angle T is what? 105 degree. That means we have to place this protector on which side? This side because T is here. place this protector on point T and 105. It means what? More than 90. It is obtuse angle triangle. So it will be where? Here. 105. When you are placing the protector on the right side, so see this one, upper one. Okay. Now join this like this. Okay. Now raise this line because we have to join this line. Can you see, students? I'm just increase this line because we have to make that here what? Point S. This point name is what? S. And this is 105 degree. Have you understood, students, how to construct this triangle? How to draw this triangle? Got it? Now see the second one. Major angle M and P. NP is what? 5.2 centimeter. Major angle N is 70 degree and major angle P is 40 degree. First, what we will do? We will what? Draw the line of what? NP. Length of NP. 5.2 centimeter line. See 5, 1 and 2. 5.2 centimeter. Can you see? 5.2 centimeter what? NP. You must write this what? Length. Now major angle N is what? 70 degree. So where we will place this protector? On point N, because N is given 70 degree. So we will place this protector on point N and see this one. Where is 70 degree? This side. Now make one line of this mark. This is what? 70 degree. Now major angle P is what? 40 degree. So place the protector on point P. Where is 40 degree? See this one, upper one, 40 degree. It will be here. And draw a line like this. Can you see? This is what? Point M. What? Point M. And this is the measure of what? 40 degree. Have you understood, students, how to construct the triangle when two angles and one side is given? Same thing, same which I have done. You have to do it by yourself in question number 3 and 4. See, in triangle FEFG, length of AG is equals to 6 centimeter, F is equals to 65 centimeter, and major angle G is equals to 45 degree, 65 degree and 45 degree. So first you have to what? Take the length of AG 6 centimeter. Then so these two questions is your homework completed in your notebook. Now let's move on to the next practice set 5. See here, to construct a right angle triangle given the hypotenuse and one side. What is hypotenuse? The side which is opposite on the right angle triangle. Okay, the side which is opposite to the right angle. See here, this is the right angle, and which is the opposite side? This one, ln. So ln is the hypotenuse. Remember it. Okay. See here, it is given. We know that a triangle with a right angle is called a right angle triangle. In such a triangle, the side opposite the right angle is called the hypotenuse. Means whenever hypotenuse is given, that means this will be this one. And one side, that means that will be base. And the one right angle means what? 90 degree. Got it? Now let's start the practice set 5. Construct triangle of the measures given below. In triangle MAN, measure angle MAN is equals to 90 degree. See here, measure angle MAN. So which will be the 90 degree? A. Okay, measure angle A is 90 degree. Okay. Length of AN is equals to 8 centimeter. Length of MN is equals to 10 centimeter. Now I am just showing you how to construct this triangle. See practice set 5. Triangle MAN 90 degree, AN 8 centimeter and MN 10 centimeter. So first, see here, A is equals to what? 90 degree. So first we will take the AN as a base. And one more thing you have to remember, hypotenuse will always be the greatest. Okay. See, first we will draw the rough figure. What? AN, what? 8 centimeter and major angle A, what? 90 degree. Then MN, from N to M, it will be 10 centimeter. Why do we draw the rough figure? And you have to write over here rough figure. Okay. Why do we draw the rough figure? So it will be easy for us which we will take the base and which side we will make the arc or which side we will take the angle. Got it? Now we will what? Make the line what? Length of 8 centimeter of ON. Eight centimeter AN. Now what do? We will what? Make an angle of 90 degree. Place the protractor on point A and make it 90 degree like this. And now join this with the line. It should be straight because it is 90 degree. Then now what we have to do next? MN 10 centimeter. Now open the compass to 10 centimeter like this. You have to take like this. See here, 10 centimeter and keep this compass on point N and make one arc over here like this. Like this you have to draw. Just raise this line. Now we will get the one point over here, that is M. Now join this point with point N. Have you understood? This will be what? 10 centimeter. Now see the second one. In the right angle triangle, triangle STU, what? In the right angle triangle STU, hypotenuse SU is equals to 5 centimeter and ST is equals to 4 centimeter. Students, remember it. If there is there is mentioned the right angle triangle. That means that triangle, measure of angle, that triangle is what? 90 degree. Okay. Sometimes it will not mention 90 degree. It is mentioned like this, right angle. And hypotenuse, you know very well. Just now I told you what is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what? SU. So your right angle means 90 degree what? T. T will be 90 degree, and S, length of SP is equals to 4 centimeter. First we will draw the rough figure. What? This is the hypotenuse, means which will be the base? ST will be the base. Like this, ST 4 centimeter, and this is right angle triangle. I am just making the rough figure, and SU is what? 5 centimeter. STU. Got it? So now with the help of the rough figure, we will construct the triangle, right angle triangle. First we will make the what? Line of what? 4 centimeter of ST. Make the line of 4 centimeter ST. Place the protector on point S and make a right angle triangle. Properly place it and make one line with this mark. Okay. Then open a compass to 5 centimeter. See here like this, and place this compass on point T and make one arc. Wherever it will meet, then we get what? One point, that will be U. What? U. And this is right angle triangle. Now join this line with point. Join this what? Point T. So this has done. So 2 questions I have completed, and rest of the questions you have to do it by yourself. I think you all have understood very well. You have to do it same as what? Question number 3 and question number 4. Okay. And rest of the practice set we will continue in the next video. Thank you, students.